Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious pot roast using a simple onion soup mix. First, gather your main ingredients. You'll need a 3 to 5 pound beef chuck roast, 1 packet of dry onion soup mix, and 2 cups of beef broth. Don't forget your vegetables. About 2 pounds of carrots and 2 pounds of potatoes work perfectly. This combination ensures a flavorful and tender meal for your family. Next, we'll sear the roast to lock in those amazing flavors. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Carefully place your beef chuck roast into the hot oil. Brown each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until a nice, deep crust forms. This crucial step adds incredible depth and richness to your final pot roast, making it truly irresistible. Now, it's time to assemble everything in your slow cooker. Carefully transfer the seared beef roast to the bottom. Evenly sprinkle the entire packet of dry onion soup mix over the top of the roast. Pour in the 2 cups of beef broth, then arrange your prepared carrots and potatoes around the meat. Cook on the low setting for 8 hours, or if you're in a hurry, cook on high for 4 hours. Once your pot roast is perfectly cooked, carefully remove the tender meat and vegetables from the slow cooker. You can shred the beef easily with 2 forks. For a wonderful gravy, thicken the flavorful cooking liquid on the stovetop with a cornstarch slurry. Serve your succulent pot roast alongside creamy mashed potatoes and consider a sprinkle of fresh parsley for a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.